What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike and today we've got another unboxing and I'm pretty excited because I finally picked up a pair of the AirPods Max in this silver colorway. So it'll actually match the iMac that I have now. But I was looking through Best Buy and saw that these were $30 off, which I know isn't the biggest sale, but I've never seen them on sale before. So I'm excited. So right now we're just going to be taking a look around the box, then we'll actually open it up and see what this thing comes with. Okay, so now we're going to take off the lid, and then as you can see, the AirPods Max are presented right there, but we're going to take a look at those in a second. Now we've got some paperwork, designed by Apple in California. Let's take that out. It's just a couple little sheets. We're not going to spend too much time on this. Next up is our usual now USB-C to Lightning cable. So that's pretty much it for what comes inside the box. Now let's move on to the actual AirPods themselves. Okay, so here are the AirPods Max themselves, and you can see that silver colorway, but first we gotta get off this little bit of like plastic film or whatever Apple has put on it. Okay, here are the AirPods Maxes themselves in that white case, which is a magnetic one, which snaps off pretty easy, and then you can easily get them out. And then right here is the actual case. It's got like this weird, nice, soft felt interior, and then white, like, I don't know, soft material on the outside. And then we have the aluminum ear cups, which actually look pretty nice, and they do match with the iMac I got pretty well, between the white and aluminum look. On the top here though, you've got the power button right there. Then on the other side you've got your scroll wheel, which you can actually press to play, pause, and skip tracks. On the bottom here you've got the lightning charging port and a battery indicator light to let you know it's on. So the ear cups are magnetic and removable, and as you can see they're pretty easy to take off and then just set right back on. Up top we have the headband, which is this like white mesh material that feels really soft. As you can see, these headphones are also adjustable and they're pretty easy to move up and down, giving you a little bit of resistance. So overall, before we get these things set up, I think they look pretty nice. Again, I do like the actual look of them. They look like they're going to be pretty comfortable. The ear cups feel soft, that mesh up the top feels soft, and they feel well made. So like every other Apple item, it's super easy to connect. Just hold it by your phone. And now it's going to ask you to hold the power button, and then it'll connect to it. After that, it's going to tell you about noise control, and then also spatial audio, which is now ready. Okay guys, so that'll be it for the AirPods Max unboxing. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you all for watching.